Back in the shop, I am taking these octagonal legs and we are tapering them down in 3 spots. See, we will actually start here in the first spot, stroke, second spot, stroke, and third spot, stroke. And we'll do that over and over and over again. And doing that, it will take more material off the front side, less off the back each time, and will give us a nice taper all the way up the leg, turning these octagons into tapered octagon legs. There's 2 sets of lines there. The first set of line is the one that I am cutting to, and then I will go back and cut to the second set. There they are, all tapered. See the tapering, and just to show you, I showed the bottom ends, which is the same almost, but then the tops, you can tell a very big difference from before and after. Now I have to go through, and before I can put them into the tapering tool that tapers the tenon, I have to get this down to under an inch going in there. There's the tool, just checking to make sure it reaches and cuts. Now it's time to cut that tenon. It's basically a giant pencil sharpener. Nice, beautiful cut. Like and follow for more. Come along this chair journey. See you next time.